Welcome to the journey on strategic financing and economic analysis for ecosystem restoration, your guide to designing inclusive, evidence-based, and financially sustainable restoration strategies. Whether you are designing a national restoration strategy or leading a local initiative, one thing is clear. Nature-positive outcomes need more than enthusiasm. They need resources, partnerships, and clear case for investment. In this journey, you will uncover the foundational principles for building effective restoration finance strategies, practical pathways to mobilize funding from public budgets and private investment to global vertical funds, how to make restoration finance inclusive, ensuring that women, indigenous peoples, and local communities are not left behind. The role of partnerships in scaling impact and aligning across sectors. Tools to design, cost, and manage financially viable restoration programs. And how to conduct a cost-benefit analysis to make the economic case for restoration, as well as ways to apply ecosystem accounting frameworks like SEEI and approaches like BioFin to track nature's value and guide smart investment. You will engage with real-world examples, explore tools and frameworks that reflect on what inclusive data-driven restoration finance looks like in practice. Let's begin by grounding ourselves in the key considerations that shape restoration financing strategies.